That bold, cheesy, spicy crunch of Doritos, where does it actually come from?
Today on Food Flavor, we take you inside the real factory process behind tortilla chips and Doritos.
From raw corn kernels to perfectly seasoned triangles, this is the full industrial journey. Billions of bags are produced every year, yet almost no one knows how they're really made.
It all begins with carefully selected corn, usually white or yellow dent corn.
Look at the size of these.
They're exactly what the data predicted. High yield and quality.
Like this video and subscribe to Food Flavor if you love discovering the secrets behind your favorite snacks.
Only high-quality corn moves forward into production. This raw material will soon become the base of every tortilla chip.
The real magic starts with an ancient process called Nixtamalization.
Corn is cooked in large tanks with water and food-grade lime.
This traditional step softens the kernels and unlocks better flavor. The lime also helps release nutrients and improves the dough texture. The kernels are then thoroughly washed to remove the outer skin.
What remains is soft, prepared corn ready for grinding.
This centuries-old method is still the foundation of modern tortilla chips.
Without nixtamalization, the chips simply wouldn't taste the same.
The treated corn is ground into a smooth dough called masa.
Giant stone or steel mills create the perfect consistency.
The chips emerge hot, crispy, and ready for flavor.
This is the moment they transform from plain masa into real tortilla chips.
The dough must be soft enough to form, but firm enough to hold shape.
Continuous mixing keeps the masa fresh and uniform.
Temperature and time are tightly controlled for perfect results.
Now the dough is ready to become chips.
Frying in hot oil delivers that classic, deep, golden crunch.
Baking creates a lighter, crisp texture, preferred by many brands.
Optical systems check every piece for size and defects.
Only perfect triangles continue down the production line.
The chips emerge hot, crispy, and ready for flavor.
This is the moment they transform from plain masa into real tortilla chips.
For Doritos, a powerful blend of cheese, spices, and flavor powders is applied. The heat helps the seasoning stick evenly to every surface.
Different flavors, nacho cheese, cool ranch, and spicy sweet chili are created here.
Precise amounts ensure every chip delivers the same bold taste. This heavy, addictive seasoning is what makes Doritos famous worldwide. Metal detectors and cameras remove any defective pieces.
Nitrogen keeps them fresh and ultra crispy for months.
From simple corn kernels to that irresistible bag of Doritos, this is the complete journey.
Next time you hear that loud crunch and taste the bold seasoning, you'll know the incredible process behind every single chip.
If this factory tour surprised you, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which snack should we reveal next? Egg, Cheetos, Pringles, or something else?